the start. So we start by doing a little bite, and we put the running hand over the standing part, like this. When I move the running hand, I hold the note with a hand, otherwise it gets very difficult to prepare this note. Then I put the running hand over the first loop, and now we have two different loops, as you can see, 1 and 2. Then always I hold the rope with one hand and I move the running hand. Why? Because otherwise, if we start to turn like this, it's very difficult to make the knot. Now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. The running hand goes over this one, under this one, over this one, and under this one. I hold the knot and I pull. This is very important to hold the knot. Okay, now we have 3 circles, 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. We needed to make another one. We take the running hand and we have to put the running hand over this part and under this one, like this, over, under. Okay, now the first part is done. Now we have just to turn, to put all this rope, all this running hand around the standing part. As you can see, the standing part starts here, goes down, up, down, up, down. We take the running hand, we are on the left of the standing part, we stay on the left and we go down. Down under this part of the rope. Then we are now on the right, over this one. We do just one step at a time, because otherwise the knot is very difficult to tie. Then what I have to do? Now I am below this part, so I have to go down and inside. As you can see, like this. Good. Now I am the left, over this one, under this one, like this. It's all goes around the parts that we already made, like this and under, like this, under, and over this part. Okay, good. Now, like this, now it's quite done, around this part, inside this one. Maybe always look, because you have to control what you have done. Okay, it's correct. Now, inside this hole, over, and inside the other one. Good. And then we are quite ready. Inside this part, around, and then back in this part. Okay, and the knot it's done. If we want, we can go again around like this another time. But we can stop with two links. As you can see, the knot is done, but do you see that every loop it's quite high? What we have to do, we have to create this knot with more flexible rope. This one is very hard, so every turn it don't stays flat. This has to be flat. This is not the right rope to use for this knot, but for the tutorial it's good. Then we have to cut better this part and this part here. but I'm not going to do because I need the rope. So this is it.